What if the person you are right now is only the unfinished version? What if your future self is not something you discover, but something you build? Brick by brick, choice by choice, day by day. Your identity is not fixed. It is under construction. Right now, most people are living inside a house they never designed. They wake up, scroll, react, repeat. They blame motivation, luck, or talent, but the real problem is simple. They never decided who they wanted to become. You feel it. The wasted hours, the distractions, the comfort that slowly steals your future. You promise change tomorrow. You promise discipline next week. But tomorrow becomes next month, and next month becomes another year gone. The truth is brutal. You are already building your identity every day. The question is not if you are building. The question is what you are building. Every action you repeat becomes a brick. Every excuse becomes a crack in the wall. Every moment of discipline becomes steel in the foundation. The moment you understand this, everything changes. Because you stop waiting to become someone, and you start designing who that someone will be. First, you need a blueprint. Not vague dreams, not wishful thinking. Specific traits, specific habits, specific standards. What time does your future self wake up? How does he train? How does he work? How does he react to stress? How does he speak? How does he think? If you cannot see the finished structure, you will never build it. Now comes the hard part. Demolishing the old building. The beliefs that say you are lazy, the stories that say you lack discipline, the voice that says this is just who you are. That voice is not truth. It is repetition. And repetition can be rewritten. This is where habits become your foundation. Small actions, daily actions, non-negotiable actions. Wake up when you said you would. Train when you do not feel like it. Work when distractions call your name. These are not small wins. These are structural beams. Discomfort is no longer the enemy. It is the construction site. Every hard task you avoid is a room left unfinished. Every hard task you complete expands the building. You do not need motivation. You need repetition. You do not need perfect days. You need consistent days. One brick today feels small, but 365 bricks build a fortress. As you build discipline, something deeper changes. You stop negotiating with yourself. You stop chasing approval. You stop running from difficulty. Your identity shifts quietly, then suddenly. You wake up and realize the old version of you feels unfamiliar. Your emotions become tools, not obstacles. You choose your environment. You surround yourself with people who build, not complain. You speak with intention. You move with purpose. And one day, you step back and see the structure, the confidence, the focus, the strength. Built slowly, built deliberately, built by you. This is the moment most people never reach because they quit before the walls rise. Do not quit. Do not pause construction. Do not wait for perfect conditions. Start today. Lay one brick, then another, then another. Protect your blueprint. Protect your standards. Build even when no one is watching. Because the life you want is not found. It is constructed. And the architect has always been you.